Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make slime. So this is the ingredients you will need: something to mix with, something to mix in, this particular shampoo, it has to be this one, and any kind of salt. So let's get started. So I already poured in some shampoo. I guess I'm just going to pour in like one more squirt, just to be on the safe side. And then this is totally optional, but I also added food coloring. And so then you're just going to want to mix that thoroughly. And you're also going to want to add pinches and pinches of salt. And you're going to see that it will start to clump up. And I'll be back with you when this is all finished. So how you know that it's ready, it will be really globby, and then when you touch it, nothing will get on your fingers. Then you're just going to want to pop this into the freezer for 10 minutes, or the refrigerator, I think, for 10 hours. I'd rather do the freezer, so go ahead and do that. Hello everybody, my name is Pep Peps. Pep Peps, Pep Peps, Pep Peps.
Sorry, I just had to.
Okay guys, so I'm basically now just going to take it out. I don't know why I have this here, just gonna throw it out there. I landed like right on top of like balancing on the watch. That's pretty cool. So I'm just going to mix this. Close up of it. Just going to mix it up. Ooh, and it is minty. It is jiggler. Ooh, nothing is getting on me. Ooh, this is so fun to play with. It's actually super jiggly, and I'm gonna just place it on the counter and see if I can. Oh my god! So this is basically, this is only like a one-time thing. You can't keep this for a very long time. Only a one-time thing. But yeah, this is what it will turn out. You can hold it, you can touch it, you can do whatever you want with it, but it's only a one-time thing. You can't put it in the freezer overnight. I tried that, it just turned soupy. I also tried that, it turned soupy. So this is like only a one-time thing, but this is just great to play with if you're just bored. And yeah, so make sure you subscribe and like my video for more slime videos on how to make stuff. And if you guys give me over 5 likes, then I will make my Sunny D water slime and show you guys how to make that. So make sure you just go to me and my other friend's channel, the Kwalies, and make sure you subscribe, and make sure you subscribe here, and just see you later, guys. See you later.